Moi Moi Yekbo. Oh my god, I know you remember that. Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another interesting video. I hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this beautiful and super delicious moi moi. If you want to know how I make this, please stay tuned and let's get started. Welcome back lovers of good things. This is the black eye beans, which every one of us know. It has already been washed and clean, like clean. So I decided to do that off camera so that will not take much time. This is my habanero pepper, my red bell pepper, and onions. Two types of onions, the white one and the purple onions. And this is my parboiled fish and eggs. And this is my fish stock. If you have any other meat stock, you can use it. I don't have any, so I use the fish stock. This is my olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, even red oil. That was my salt and my Maggi cube, which is bouillon cube. I have my crayfish as well. These are all the ingredients you need for this moi moi. And feel free to use any ingredients of your choice. Like those one you don't like, you can decide not to use it at all. But if you want to cook beautiful and delicious moi moi, you need all these ingredients to make it work. Then we'll continue to blend our beans, which the first batch have already been blended. You can see how smooth and creamy is looking. We are going to continue the process until we are through with all the beans. So at this stage, we are going to go with a large batch. I'm going to pour everything inside the blender and wash the crayfish and blend it with it. I will also bring out my Maggi cube, which we know as bouillon cube as well. I will soak it inside the water with some salt for taste. I will try and mix it very well. Then I will blend everything together. The reason you are blending the Maggi cube with your beans is because sometimes when you put your Maggi cube direct into your moi moi, you may find some seed of Maggi cube while eating it. So you will just prevent it by blending everything together. At this stage, we'll go ahead to prepare our egg by cutting it. These are the eggs I will be using. I'm going to cut it into two for now, but if I find out the egg will not be enough, I will decide to cut them again, because I know I have a lot of blended beans already. I know the moi moi is plenty. And this is the fish, which have already been deboned. Yes. And I'm going to keep it aside and let's go ahead with the mixed moi moi. Then I'm going to mix everything together. If you have a mixer, you can decide to use it again. Sometimes I do use a mixer to remix and make it smoother, but this is very good and I love it the way it looks. So I'll go ahead and mix the fish with it. I'll mix everything together. I'll add the rest ingredients that need to be added, like my oil. Mix together. And guys, I want to make this moi moi to my own taste, like very soft, because sometimes when my mind get cold, it became too strong, which my family don't like it. Like my husband, my kids, they don't like strong moi moi when it gets cold. So I'll try my best and make it to their taste. Like I will make it so soft to their taste. Even me, I do love soft moi moi as well. Sometimes when mama is too really strong, it's not enjoyable. I don't know about you, but you can make your own the way you want it, like your choice. So if that is the right word, just make it the way you love it. And this is the moment we are waiting for. I know many of us can relate to this. Sometimes when you sit outside your house, you heard a voice like, "Boy, moi, moi." Oh my God. This is the way I really want to enjoy my moi moi. Not with any other can, but tin tomatoes can. I gathered enough of it so that it will be enough for me to do my moi moi. And make sure you add oil before putting your moi moi into the can, like you rub it with oil so that it will be easy for the moi moi to come out. At this stage, we will arrange our moi moi into the hot pot or hot water and allow it to cook for 1 hour, less than 1 hour. And when this moi moi get done, you will know from the sign of the cup is going to rise and go down, and the mark will be there. Then you will know your moi moi is well cooked and done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to say a very big thank you to my old and new subscribers. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. You are welcome to my channel. And for my old subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. May the Lord God Almighty bless you. And if you like this video, you enjoy watching, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you have not yet done so. I decided to take one from the other pot. This is the other can I have at home. I placed one of it because the tin can was too hot. I could not able to take from that. So the moi moi came out so beautiful and super delicious and so soft. We love it. If you have not tried out this method, please do, and you will love it. I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.